Renewable Energy Training Program and Certificate. Renewable Energy Certificate, a 4-day renewable energy training program, provides a specialized education in renewable energy system planning, analysis, modeling, design, control, management and operation. Industry experts and Tonex faculty will help participants learn renewable energy fundamental concepts and principles, design and implementation, and operations and maintenance working with real-world challenges. Who should attend? Those with a broad interest in developing renewable energy technologies and wish to gain the fundamental understanding of the technologies available. This includes energy and facility managers, engineers, program and project managers, financial consultants, local government planners and those working in an entirely different sector considering a change in career path. Learning objectives. Upon completion of the offshore wind farm training course, the attendees will 1. Learn about the history and background of renewable energy. 2. Describe renewable industry markets. 3. Describe impact of renewables in electric utilities. 4. Learn the fundamentals of global renewable energy business, market, operation and technology. 5. List different types of renewable energy, microgrid, and energy storage. 6. Describe solar, wind and hybrid resources for renewable energies. 7. Learn about solar cells and photovoltaic solar energy. 8. Compare wind turbines in onshore and offshore wind farms. 9. Describe the operation of offshore wind farms. 10. Understand the different types of transmission systems for renewable energy. The class consists of pedagogical elements that are interwoven to maximize the use of individual, group and class time. These elements are lectures, in-class activities, teamwork, group assignments and mock assessments to demonstrate your knowledge in renewables. Learn more about this renewable energy training program and certification on tonex.com.